Dear Glee. Are you going to take a picture?
Well, I'm taking a video. You can say happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Dear Glee. Happy birthday to my grandma.
Is she your grandma?
Yeah.
I know, don't touch that part. Glee, it's your birthday, but you're not a grandma. You are a beautiful young woman.
No, she's a grandma.
Whoa. Okay, Callie, can you say happy birthday to Glee?
Callie.
Gentle. Okay, Glee. We love you. Lila, do you want to say anything to Kev Couve?
Okay, Kev Couve. Why weren't